Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry it's taken me forever to do a video, but we're just going to move straight into this one, and I'm going to start by prepping my face with the Too Faced Hangover Primer. Moving on to brows, I'm taking the Car Brow by Benefit Cosmetics in shade 6, and I'm going to fill in my amazingly untamed eyebrows. Don't forget to do your other eyebrow too, guys. I'm taking the Colourpop Cosmetics No Filter Concealer. I think this one is in shade 20, and I'm going to apply it with a flat brush to my eyelid, and then also do my eyebrows as well, just sort of carving them out, making them look a little bit more defined. So for eyes today, we're using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm starting with the shade Desert Sand. Just going to apply it all over my eyelid so I can set the concealer in place. For transition shades today, I'm using Eden and Blazing, and then I'm also using Blazing in my outer V. Then I'm going to take that pretty purple shade there, which is Amethyst, and apply that also to my outer V and kind of work it into my crease. I'm also taking that No Filter Concealer again, and I'm going to apply it to my eyelid so we can get some glitter down. So now I'm taking one of my new favorites, which is the NYX Pigment Primer. If you can get your hands on one of these, definitely do. I'm applying this all over my lid where I've put the concealer, and I'm going to put on top of it the glitter. So the glitter that I'm using, and I'm so gutted I didn't show you guys, it's the NYX Shimmer Down Pigment in shade 06, and I'm applying it now. As you can see, it's such a pretty color. So now I'm kind of just blending everything together, making sure everything looks really nice. I'm taking a pencil brush and going back in with that Amethyst shade, which is the purple one, and then also going back in with that shade Eden and kind of just blending it all together at the top there. And then I'm also using this product here for the first time, which is the NYX That's the Point eyeliner. Now I'm using my amazing editing skills, and we're going to fast forward to the face. I'm going in with that No Filter Concealer again, but in the shade 15, and blending it out with my Chichi Cosmetics sponge. Alright, so now that I've finished blending my little heart out, I'm taking the Mercier translucent powder, and this is another new product for me. I've only had it since I've come back from the States, and I am obsessed with it. Love it. And then I'm also using the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish powder in the shade Medium Golden, which is also new, and I'm applying it to the areas where I haven't used that translucent powder. So once I've brushed all that powder off, I'm going to take the Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics. I love this stuff. I'm already into like my third repurchase, and I've got a fourth one spare. I'm going to use it to contour my forehead, my cheekbones, my jawline, my bottom lip, and then also my nose. definitely can't forget my first fave bronzer. It's by Maybelline. It's the Dream Terra Sun. I've honestly used this for so long. I need another one. I'm just using it to bronze up my skin, and then I'm taking the BH Cosmetics blush palette. This is really affordable. They have some amazing products. Definitely check their site out. And then I'm also going to use the Anastasia X Amrezy highlighter. I had to grab this. It was just, yeah, one of those things where you think you're not going to need it, but then you cave in and you buy it. And I'm so happy I did, because it's really, really pretty. Super pigmented, and I love the color. Moving on to lashes, guys, we're almost there. I'm using the XO Beauty lashes in the chic style. I love XO Beauty lashes. I've been using them for years. I kind of just rotate through my favorites, and this is the first time I've actually purchased like individual ones. I usually buy the dramatic sets, which are super affordable. You get 5 in a set, I'm pretty sure it is, and the styles are gorgeous. Like, definitely, they do Oxypay as well, so definitely check out Shannon's website. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention that I also mascara my eyelashes before and after I apply falsies, just so I can blend it together. And then I take the Huda Beauty palette and just pull the eye look together by using the same shades that we use at the start on our top eyelid. I'm just blending them all together in the bottom, as you can see. And then I'm just going to do final touches now. For some reason my lipstick didn't film on camera, so I'll link it below. But that's basically it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!